So this is our adjustable dog feeder. It comes with 3 bowls in case you need to control the amount of feeding, water, food, or you can even put it like that so it stores itself, whichever way. Comes with 3 bowls, y'all, and you can adjust it just by pushing in this little knob and sliding it up and down. It is that easy, guys. Doesn't that look so much better on her spine?